Mercedes-Benz has unveiled the all-new 2019 G-Class, the second generation of the hallowed, revered name in 40 years. What debuted in 1979 as a no-nonsense all-terrain vehicle caught on in popular culture in recent times, and boasts a customer base ranging from popes to rappers that is now a bona fide passenger vehicle, bringing with it 21st century refinement and class while retaining its old-school looks and proper off-road ability. Here are 5 things you need to know about the new Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The G-Class retains its iconic upright shape and is instantly recognizable as a G-Class no matter where you look. So traditional is its design that during the testing phase, Mercedes engineers reckon that if it gone out uncamouflaged, only the most ardent G-Class fans would realize it's an all-new car. But just 3 components, the door handles being one, have been carried over into the new car, underlining its newness. While designers were careful with the exterior of the G as not to lose its design, the interior has been given a more thorough revision to bring it up to date. The new model promises to banish the bugbears of the old car, with improved passenger space, cargo room, and lower NVH levels, aided by an improved chassis that is still reassuringly of the ladder frame variety. The G-Wagon's improved refinement extends to its manners on the road. Extensively redesigned front and rear axles, paired with suspension that's had some fettling by AMG, means that you no longer get the same ponderous handling as you used to. Mercedes-Benz promises the new G to be agile, comfortable and superior, and has utilized computer prototypes to simulate a myriad of situations and has ensured that the G has surpassed expectations in all areas. Aiding to that is the use of high-strength steel and aluminium in the construction, contributing to a claimed weight reduction of up to 170 kilograms. But the on-road manners haven't come at off-road compromise. The new G may offer an eco and sport mode for the first time, but G mode is far more noteworthy. Engage low-range gearing or hit one of the 3 differential locks and you'll engage G mode, which revises throttle mapping, adjusts the steering assistant, refines the gearbox and sets up the suspension for maximum off-road ability. It's no wonder then that the new G is capable of climbing up a 100% incline and ford water and mud up to 70 centimeters deep. The new G-Wagon will be on sale in Europe in a sole G500 guise for now, with prices confirmed to begin at €107,000. Critically, the prices have not crept up with the new model, which suggests that the following models like the diesels and AMG variants will largely mirror what we've seen in the past. There will be as many as 2 all-new variants of the G-Wagon with a distinctly 21st century flavour, with a plug-in hybrid model rumoured to join the lineup, whereas a fully electric variant of the Wagon has already been confirmed. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching, we'll see you again soon.